Hey Pete, have you got enough chess for the party?
Chess for the party? It's a birthday party. Why do we need chess?
Well, what are people going to sit on if we don't have any chess?
Oh, you mean chairs?
Yeah, chess. That's what I said, mate.
No, you said chess, like the board game chess. Chairs are what you sit on. I'll make you a lesson to teach you the difference.
G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English. I have been teaching thousands of students for the last 6 years how to master their Australian pronunciation, and today's video is going to help you just the same. So today I'm going to help you master the difference between two very similar vowel sounds in Australian English, and air. But before we get started though guys, make sure that you go down into the description and download the worksheet so that you can print this out as a PDF, you can follow along, and you can see all of the exercises and words and everything like that. It'll make following this lesson a lot easier, and you'll get all my future PDF lessons and videos as well. All right, part 1, how to pronounce eh. So I'm gonna say a list of words here, listen and repeat after me. Eh. Head. Set. Kept. Flex. Peck. Leg. Met. Egg. Fetch. Text. So interestingly, the eh vowel sound in English is always followed by a consonant sound. You're never going to have a word that just ends with the vowel sound eh. Whereas the vowel sound air, the long version of the eh vowel sound, is often heard at the ends of words with no consonant after it, which we'll go over in a sec. But before we do that, guys, if you are enjoying this video, could you please give the like button a cheeky little boop, as it'll show YouTube's algorithm that you're enjoying this video and that it should show this to other English learners just like you. Cheers. Okay, part 2, how to pronounce the vowel sound air. So effectively all you need to do here, guys, compared to the vowel sound eh, is hold that same vowel sound for a moment longer. So you'll hear eh, the short one, and air, the longer one, right? There's no other difference in terms of articulation in the mouth. It's the same sound, one's short, one's long. Eh, air. So let's go through a little list of words. Air. Rare. Hair. Air. Bed. Scared. Yeah. Swear. Aware. Wear. Tear. Great job. So you probably noticed quite a few of those words just end with the vowel sound air with no consonant after it. Remember guys, if you want all the detailed tutorials so that you can master every single vowel sound and every single consonant sound in Australian English, be sure to get my Australian pronunciation course. Inside, you will learn to quickly master all of the different sounds in Australian English. You'll learn how to use the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, and you'll also get access to 25 advanced pronunciation lessons covering sounds like the syllabic N, the syllabic L, the dark L, how to use the R sound in Australian English, the T flap, everything like that. So go down into the description and click the link, or just go to www.aussieenglish.com.au/APC. All right, part 3. We'll do a little comparative pronunciation exercise here. So this was actually a little difficult to create because the only minimal pairs I could find for words with these two vowel sounds, right? So a pair of words that only differ between the vowel sounds eh and air always seem to end with D. So I'll do 5 pairs of real words and then 5 pairs including made up words in order to let you hear other situations with other sounds next to these vowel sounds. Let's go. Eh. Air. Bed. Bed. Fled. Flared. Dead. Dead. Head. Head. Fed. Fed. Let. let, beg, beg, meh, meh, egg, egg, text, text. Great job, guys. All right, now it's time for part 4, a listening comprehension quiz. So this is where I'm going to include pairs of words like we just went over, but I'm only going to say one of these. So I'll display both words or both options on screen, and I'm going to test your listening comprehension to see if you can hear which one of these words I'm saying. So this is a great way of developing your ear so that you can then pronounce these words yourself when speaking English. You got to hear it before you can say it. All right, are you ready? When I say each of these words, do you hear the eh sound or the air sound? Let's go. Bed, rare, egg, wed, tread, sad, bag, meh, egg, text. Great job, guys. Remember, some of the words there aren't real words, but I use them to be able to include both vowel sounds as minimal pairs. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget you can listen to all of these lessons as audio files on the Aussie English podcast. You can download my free app so that you can listen to these episodes anywhere, anytime. It's a great way to practice your English, especially whilst using your dead time, right? Whilst you're commuting, cleaning the house, going to the gym, and you can have something in your ears and be working on something else at the same time. If you want to keep learning English pronunciation with me, check out this video up here where I teach you the difference between the vowel sounds oh and or. See ya.